make this video real quick. So, I just moved into a new apartment, and the first shower I took, the tub was filling up with a little bit of water. I'm like, okay, I need to get some Drano or something. The next shower I took, just worse. I'm just like, oh God. So I tried taking off the tub spout, the drain, because it's like screwed into the tub. There's no just pulling it out. I had to use a special tool. I use my little guy right here. And then as soon as I pulled it off, this is what I saw. And this is gonna be gross, so I apologize. But let's see if we can get you in here so you can see it. You can just see down in there. Oh yeah, look at all that beautiful juiciness down in there. Oh God. I put gloves on because I'm gonna see if I can't. Oh, see, I can't even get down in there to get it. Oh God, it's so thick. Oh God. Oh God, okay, got a little bit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry.